Okay. Take the pill. Put it on the very back of your tongue. So you go like this. Now, stick your tongue out. All the way back. Oh.
It tastes bad.
You haven't even tasted it yet.
I know, but I can remember.
Put it on the back of your tongue. On the back of your tongue. Get you something to drink and wash it down. There you go. Hold it in your hand. There you go. You've almost touched your little tongue. Go.
I don't like it.
No, go drink all your tea. Then you'll have nothing. Kenzie, just take the pill. Here you have a napkin. Use it. You're gonna make me mad now. Put the pill in your mouth and take it. Put the pill in your mouth.
Okay.
Put the pill in your mouth.
Okay.
There. Quick. Told you. That's why you have to drink. Oh my Lord.
You made me laugh.
I won't even look at you.
Okay.
I won't even look. Put the pill in your mouth.
You're looking.
I'm not looking at you. 1, 2, 3. Drink. Drink. I guess that's not gonna work. Maybe we should try something else.